Welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi and we're gonna go through BTC and Ethereum today. So we spoke about BTC yesterday. If the market wouldn't drop from this level that you see right here, the yellow lines, that the market could push up to 27,270, 27,600. The market have not done that yet. Another thing, I was also going through Ethereum and I said, for Ethereum, wait for the support break before selling, expect a choppy behavior before the break, always follow structure. So right now, or this was a couple of hours ago when I gave you this chart on Ethereum. Sorry guys to interrupt you, but if you are looking for a platform to trade cryptocurrencies on, you have right now through the links in my description down below the video. When you are depositing $100 to Bitflex, you will get a $10 back when you are placing your first trade. This is a leverage trading platform. You have from 2x to 100x when you are trading on this platform. You don't need any KYC, which is really good. A lot of other platforms want you to do that. And if you've never used this platform before, I have a great tutorial for you to be able to look at too. Now, let us get into the charts. Also, make sure to trade with risk management when you are signing up on Bitflex. And if we are going to the chart right now, you can actually see how the market dropped down exactly to the level at 1,612, the one that I spoke about. Now, if the market's gonna reverse from this level, we'll probably see the market push back up and create another high before that happens. And we are looking at the previous highs around 1,636 around that level, and we're waiting for that top. And if we start to see more rejection around these areas, then this can definitely be a drop down. Now, if the market's gonna give us another high and we are continuing to create the higher lows, then we're still looking at the targets that I spoke about yesterday. That is around 1,737. This is combined with the previous high. I think it was on BTC, we just might push up to 1,705 when it comes to Ethereum. When we are going to BTC, we can see how the market did reject this level at the Fibonacci. But if we are going down to the lower time frames, we have the exact same thing. We have a small support level right here, and you can see on the 1 hourly how we broke the support, but then we've also seen how the market did close inside of it. So this is the exact same thing. We just might see the market push up to create another high. So I'm still waiting for that to happen, because usually what happens is that before we see a drop, we usually have some spikes to the upside. So for everyone that's shorting the market here, you probably have a big spike up very quickly, and then you see the market have that drop. So that's why, been doing this a lot of times, going in on the market before the market gives us that spike, this fake out. So, I've been losing my position. So I've learned the hard way to chill, to wait a little bit. And if I am freaking out and I want to go in, then I just sit, meditate a little bit, so those emotions can go away from my body. Yeah, I'm still waiting for the push that we usually have. Of course, now on both BTC and Ethereum, if we see the market break below these levels and start to give us that momentum, I'm still waiting for the low and the lower high for me to enter a short position. When it comes to USDT, we spoke about this support yesterday at 8%, and we also rejected this level. So we'll see if the market's gonna, because if the market's gonna drop on BTC, then USDT will continue up. But this is the same thing. We just might see some crazy momentum happening before that is the case. We can see how the market on the 1 hourly was in a downtrend, and we have broken above the lower high right here. So the market on the 1 hourly is now starting to create a uptrend. But of course, this is the lower time frames, and the higher time frames will always be the most accurate levels. But we'll see. If we see a big spike, we just might see another drop here. And if BTC fakes us out to the upside, then we'll see USDT most likely have a fake out to the downside and then start to continue with the high highs and high lows. So it is always really good for us to be able to use USDT, look what that is doing. We can also look at USD, of course, but I'm looking between these different pairs because they are correlating against each other. So what USD is doing, the BTC and Ethereum will do the opposite. So right now the market is in a standstill. I am still waiting for the confirmations that I need before I am entering a trade. So we'll see if this is going to happen during the weekend or if we have to wait until Monday and next week to see if any momentum does happen. But make sure to follow me on my Twitter because this is where I give you the updates on the charts when it comes to the currencies. So do that. Also subscribe to my channel, hit the notification for my YouTube channel so you know when I'm live next time or when I do have my daily updates. I have some really good news that I'm gonna share with you pretty soon. So stay tuned to my channel because this is gonna be so much fun. I'm so happy, but I cannot share it yet with you. So we see each other next week. I hope everyone will have a fantastic weekend.